Now let us discuss about fiber optic transducers. Fiber optic transducers are also called as optical fiber sensors. These optical fiber sensors work on the principle of alteration of light by external variables like motion, temperature, pressure flow, etc. The fibers act as light conduits to conduct light and consist of thin strands of dielectric materials like glass, quartz, and plastics, in which some dopants may be introduced for certain special applications. In this case, as you can see, a light ray propagating in the fiber is trapped by total internal reflection at the boundary of the core and the cladding material. This is possible only if N2, which is the refractive index of the material, is less than N1, which is the refractive index of core. Now let us see types of optical fiber sensor configurations. Basically, there are two types of optical fiber sensors: extrinsic sensors and intrinsic sensors. Extrinsic sensors are also called as incoherent sensors, and intrinsic sensors are called as coherent sensors. Now let us discuss about extrinsic sensors. These extrinsic sensors are used to measure motion or displacement of an object in terms of change in the intensity of light. Here, the light intensity modulation of intensity of light takes place outside the fiber, outside the optical fiber. As you can see, emitter is nothing but the source of light, and these lines indicate the optical fibers. This is input fiber and this is output fiber. Modulator is an object, or you can say a reflector, which can change the intensity of light. Detector is the one which detects the intensity of light. As you can see in this diagram, so here the extrinsic sensor is used to measure the displacement of an object, which is nothing but reflector. So here we want to measure the displacement or motion of this reflector. So this is the input fiber and this is the output fiber. So when a light of adequate intensity is passed through this input fiber and it is allowed to fall upon this reflector. So the reflector reflects the light and the reflected light is passed through this output fiber. So at the output side of this output fiber, the intensity of light is measured. So now when the reflector is moved up and down, so the intensity of light at the output side of the output fiber changes. So when the reflector it moves away from the optical fibers, so the intensity of light which is measured at the output side decreases, and when the reflector moves towards the optical fiber, the intensity of reflected light at the output fiber it increases. So therefore the intensity of light at the output side of the output fiber it gives the value of the displacement or motion of the reflector. So here the displacement of the reflector or motion of the reflector is measured in terms of change in the intensity of light at the output side of the output fiber. Now this is an extrinsic optical fiber sensor which is used to measure the liquid flow. This is called as a fiber optic flow sensor. In this type of flow sensor, the frequency of light waves scattered from the particles in the moving fluid is Doppler shifted. Here, the frequency shift being proportional to the velocity. The input optical fiber carries light which is focused on the fluid flow. The output fiber carries the light scattered by the particles in the flowing liquid, and the particle velocity is found from the modulated frequency spectrum. Now let us say intrinsic sensors. In case of intrinsic sensors, the intensity modulation of light takes place within the fiber. In this case, the intrinsic sensor is used to measure the quantities like pressure in terms of change in the intensity of light at the output of the optical fiber. Here, the fiber bending due to pressure, which is the input variable, induces radiation losses, changing the intensity at the output. This happens within the fiber itself, and hence the configuration is called as intrinsic type. This causes radiation of light even at small deformation and is also called as microbend sensor.